Looking for sleek, modern, and elegant living in one minimalistic package? West 141st Street, New York is perfect for you. These non-en-suites boast a spacious bed with soft sheets and plush pillows for cozy sleeps, a desk and chair for your perfect study corner, and a roomy closet to hold all your essentials. Let's add weekly housekeeping for extra convenience and blazing fast Wi-Fi to the mix. Now all your essentials are included in one ultimate package. If you're a student at City College of New York, a quick stroll can get you there. Snooze that alarm, grab breakfast on the way, and still be on time. Columbia University is also a blink away by car, freeing up precious minutes from your day to do more. Catch a bus from Frederick Douglass Boulevard or the subway from West 135th Street and dive into the Big Apple like a local. It's that easy. Secure your place at West 141st Street, New York today on amberstudent.com. The perfect NYC uni life won't wait forever.